Hi, 4th and 5th grade. Welcome to our drumming lesson for the day. I hope you have your drumsticks ready. If not, pause the video and go grab them, please. Today, we're going to be talking about our level 2 and 3, which is, as we talked about last week, our 8th notes and our 16th notes. We're going to kind of combine our level 1, 2, and 3 together and make some fun rhythms together. And then we'll do a little bit of a We Will Rock You and our drum along after this. So, to start, last week we learned that, we hold our drumsticks. We got about 1 inch at the bottom here. I've got a thumbs up, and I'm ready to go. That way it's loose and it's ready to bounce back on me, right? So, let's get it popping. So, here we're going to start with our quarter notes, which is our level 1. So, our quarter notes is our steady beat. So, 1, 2. Go ahead and join me if you haven't already. So it's really just a steady beat. You can also go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you go up to your level 2, which is your 8th notes, you're gonna look a little bit more like this. You're gonna look like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you want to listen while I do this, listen to me count the numbers and how many beats I actually get into them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can hear 2 knocks per each number, right? So if we went from steady beat 2, 3, 4 to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Mrs. Young keeps a really loose grip on her drumsticks, so sometimes they fly out of her hands. If you have me in class, you've probably seen it literally fly across the room before. That's okay. So that's level 1 and level 2. If we were in class, we would be able to kind of do like rounds with that. It'd be really fun. So I'm gonna do level 1 with my right hand, level 2 with my left hand. It's gonna be kind of tricky, and I want you to try it with me. So my right hand's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and my left hand is gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we're gonna be trying to do 2 different things at the same time with our hands. It's tricky, but we can try it. Ready? So I'm gonna start with my steady beat. Get it really steady. And I'm gonna add in my second one. Ready? Go. Oh, I messed up, see? But you gotta get it kind of popping there, because it's kind of the segue and the start to getting into a drum kit, because on a drum kit you're doing way different things up here than you are down here. Now that we've tried our 8th notes and quarter notes at the same time, we're going to move on now to our 16th notes. And I want you to really practice that, both hands doing different things. It's very, very tricky, but we'll get there. So if level 1 is quarter notes, which is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Level 2, as we know, is our 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Level 3 is going to be our pepperonis, or our 16th notes. And 16th notes, as we just learned, is when you can fit 16 whole hits into just 1, 2, 3, 4 counts. So if I was doing pepperonis, I would do it like this. In music class, in like middle school, you'll hear it as like 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. I like to use pepperonis. So I'm gonna go pepperoni, 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 pepperoni. So now I'm gonna count to 4 and listen to how many hits I can get in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 3, 4. Mrs. Young forgot how to count to 4 for a second there. But every time I said a number, I was able to get 4 hits in there before I got to the next number. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sense? So when I do it, I usually go pepperoni, 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 pepperoni. Make sure you're joining me if you haven't already. Pepperoni, 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 pepperoni. You can also do 16th notes, both hands at the same time. It's a little bit trickier to do it that way. It's kind of exhausting when your sticks could rotate. Instead, if you have to do both at the same time, you gotta go a lot faster. So instead of rotating, it's a little bit easier because then your sticks can technically go half the speed, but they're alternating. But you can also do it at this both hands at the same time speed. Okay, so we're going to move from quarter notes to eighth notes to pepperoni. So let's do it. Level 1 to level 2 to level 3. I'm gonna start with a steady beat. Join me with that steady beat. When I say level 2, start going at your eighth notes. Same with your level 3, okay? Let's see if we can keep that steady rhythm together. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Make sure you're at the exact same time as me. Level 2. Level 3, ready, go. Pepperoni, 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 ready, and stop. Good. Let's try a couple of rhythms together. So let's try, if we were in class, I'd usually have you guys make your own. And actually, that's gonna be our assignment for the day. You guys are gonna make your own rhythms and show me in Flipgrid. So I'm gonna make a couple for you to try today, and then you're gonna upload yourself doing a rhythm of your own. So let's try. So that's quarter, quarter, da 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 da, or pepperoni, pepperoni. Ready? Go. Hit, hit, pepperoni, pepperoni. Right, one more time. Ready? Go. Hit, hit, pepperoni, pepperoni. Ready? One more time. Hit, hit, pepperoni, pepperoni. 1, 2, ready? Go. Hit, hit, pepperoni, pepperoni. Hit, hit, pepperoni, pepperoni. Hit, hit, pepperoni, pepperoni. Hit, hit, pepperoni, pepperoni. Good. Now you're about to do a drum along. So in your drum along, you're going to be doing the song We Will Rock You. Do you know the song We Will Rock You? Most of us do. If not, this probably sounds familiar if you can't recognize it off the top of your head. Ready? So We Will Rock You is that song. We're going boom, boom, clap, 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 boom, boom, clap. Your goal when you do We Will Rock You as your drum along is you gotta keep that beat that whole time. You don't want to get too fast, because then you kind of mess up the song, right? You want to stay steady with Queen the whole time. Queen is the band that sings We Will Rock You. So try and keep that steady beat with me now. You can also try different ways. You can go da da da. I'm gonna go like both at the same time hit. You can also go. That one kind of sounds backwards to me, but that's okay if you want to do it that way. So let's try it. Ready? Go. In your next slide here, you're gonna do a drum along to that. So I want you to listen to the song once. We have the music video with it, so you can watch that music video real quick. It's a fun music video. It's just them playing the song. And then you are going to drum along with this. You're gonna keep that steady beat with your drumsticks the whole time. And then at the end, after you do the rest of your work for the day in our classroom, you're gonna upload for me one of your rhythms that you make on your own. Maybe you make me a Mario rhythm. Maybe you make me a Wii Sports rhythm. Whatever you want to do, totally up to you. I want to see what you got. I want you to practice and show me what you got. So let's do that.